silica is essential in some plants, but not in the medicinal plant that we all know and love, right?
Correct. However, the research is still out because what a lot of the current research on silica's role in a plant's metabolism now is finding is that not only is it kind of maybe not part of metabolism and it just gets deposited onto cell walls, and that's why everyone knows that it's good to have silica in plants so that they don't get overfed on by bugs, but silica actually plays a pretty important role in a lot of the metabolic pathways for biotic and abiotic stress in the plant, whether it's drought or some sort of a pest like a chewing bug or even like a fungal pathogen. So now that we're seeing that silica is involved in those metabolic pathways, a lot of those metabolic pathways we know are conserved in other plants and higher plants. So all it takes at this point is for us to connect the dots in the research to see how silica actually functions in the medicinal plants that we're typically trying to cultivate at large scale, and then kind of have hard evidence for that. But now the kind of common knowledge is changing where silica is being considered a kind of an essential nutrient as far as making sure that a cultivation, whether it's field ag or indoor ag, is maximizing its growing potential and reducing its need for like pest control products by increasing the plant's natural resistance to things.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.